Have you ever wondered what makes fleas so special and, at the same time, so annoying? In today's video, we'll explore everything about these incredible creatures. Fleas are masters of adaptation and survival, capable of jumping great distances and living in diverse conditions. Stay with us to discover how they live, their surprising abilities, and some interesting facts you may have never heard before. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of fleas. Fleas are small parasitic insects that belong to the order Siphonaptera. With more than 2,500 known species, they are found in virtually every corner of the world. Fleas are ectoparasites, which means they live on the outside of their hosts, feeding from their blood. This adaptation makes them extremely efficient in their survival and proliferation. These insects have a body structure adapted specifically for parasitism. Their laterally flattened body allows them to move easily through the hair or feathers of their hosts. Furthermore, fleas do not have wings, but they compensate for this with their powerful hind legs, which allow them to jump great distances in relation to their size. Despite their negative reputation, fleas play an important role in the ecosystem. They are part of the food chain and serve as food for various predators, including spiders, ants, and other insects. Furthermore, by parasitizing different species, fleas help control animal populations, avoiding overpopulations that could cause environmental imbalances. The flea life cycle is made up of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. This cycle can be completed in a few weeks, depending on environmental conditions. Adult females can lay up to 50 eggs per day, usually in the host. These eggs fall into the environment, where they hatch into larvae. Flea larvae feed on organic matter, including dead skin, feces from adult fleas, and other debris found in their habitats. The larvae undergo several molts before turning into pupae. This pupal stage is a period of transformation where the larva wraps itself in a protective cocoon and undergoes metamorphosis to become an adult flea. Pupae can remain inactive for several weeks, waiting for ideal conditions to emerge as adults. Once conditions are favorable, adult fleas emerge and immediately begin searching for a host to feed on blood. This fast and efficient cycle allows flea populations to grow quickly, especially in environments where there are many hosts available. To understand how fleas came to be, we need to look at their evolution. Fleas are very old insects, with fossils dating back to the Cretaceous period, around 100 million years ago. These early fleas were significantly larger than modern fleas and had bodies adapted to parasitizing feathered dinosaurs. Over time, fleas evolved to become smaller and more specialized, adapting to a variety of hosts, including mammals and birds. The adaptation of fleas to parasitism involved modifications in their anatomy and behavior, allowing them to become effective and resistant parasites. Fleas' ability to jump long distances and their resilience in harsh environments are results of this long evolutionary history. Their impressive abilities and efficient life cycle are testaments to adaptation and evolution over millions of years. This continued evolution allows fleas to continue to thrive and adapt to changes in their habitats and hosts. In fact, studies on the origin and evolution of fleas help us understand how these insects became so successful in different environments. Research continues to reveal more about how fleas have interacted with their hosts throughout history, contributing to a deeper understanding of biodiversity and complex ecological relationships. Fleas have a unique anatomy that makes them extremely effective as parasites. Their laterally flattened bodies are covered by a hard cuticle that protects them from crushing. This body shape also allows them to move easily through the fur or feathers of their hosts, facilitating the search for feeding points. One of fleas' most impressive abilities is their jumping ability. Fleas' hind legs are particularly strong and muscular, allowing them to jump up to 200 times their own body height. This jumping ability is crucial to their survival, as it allows them to move quickly between hosts and avoid predators. Additionally, fleas have specialized mouth parts that allow them to pierce the skin and suck blood. They inject saliva containing anticoagulants to keep blood flowing while they feed. This adaptation is essential for their nutrition and reproduction, as blood is their sole source of food. Did you know that fleas can survive for up to 100 days without eating? This incredible resistance allows them to wait long periods for a new host, ensuring their survival even in adverse conditions. Fleas are known for their ability to enter a state of near dormancy, slowing their metabolism until conditions improve. Fleas also have a fascinating history of interacting with humans. During the 14th century, fleas were responsible for spreading the Black Death in Europe, one of the most devastating pandemics in history. The disease was transmitted by fleas that lived on rats, which were common in cities at the time. This historical connection shows the significant impact these little insects can have on human society. Furthermore, fleas are objects of scientific study due to their unique abilities and resilience. Research into the biomechanics of flea jumping, for example, has contributed to advances in robotics and materials engineering. Studying these insects helps us better understand the biology and adaptation of species in different environments. Fleas are not only a nuisance to our pets, but they also pose a serious threat to public health. They are vectors of several diseases, including bubonic plague and murine typhus. Bubonic plague, historically known as the Black Death, decimated entire populations in medieval Europe. These diseases are transmitted through the bites of infected fleas, which can transfer dangerous bacteria to their hosts. In addition to diseases, flea infestations can cause severe allergic reactions in both humans and animals. Flea saliva contains allergens that can cause severe itching and allergic dermatitis in many pets. In extreme cases, severe infestations can lead to anemia in small animals, such as puppies, due to blood loss. To combat these risks, it is essential to adopt effective preventative measures. This includes maintaining clean environments, regularly treating pets with flea products, and being alert to signs of infestation. Awareness and education about the biology and risks associated with fleas, these are important steps to protect public health and the well-being of our pets. If you are bitten by fleas, it is important to take immediate steps to treat the bite and prevent a larger infestation. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Wash the bitten area. Wash the affected area with soap and water to clean the skin and reduce the risk of infection. Number 2. Apply an anti-itch cream. Use a hydrocortisone cream or a topical antihistamine to relieve itching and irritation. 3. Avoid scratching. Scratching the bitten area can cause secondary infections. Try to avoid scratching and keep your nails short. Number 4. Treat your home. Vacuum all areas of the home, especially where pets spend the most time. Wash bedding, carpets, and other fabrics in hot water to kill fleas and their eggs. 5. Consider professional treatment. If the infestation is severe, you may need to hire a pest control service to completely eliminate fleas from your home. These measures not only help treat bites, but also prevent future infestations. It is crucial to act quickly and effectively to ensure that fleas do not cause further discomfort or health problems. So now you know that fleas are more than just a pest. They are remarkable insects with incredible abilities and a rich history. From their rapid life cycle to their impressive jumping ability, fleas show us the complexity of nature in miniature. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next content. Leave your comment below about what surprised you most about fleas. To the next.